In a sprawling forest nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, a cunning and charismatic character roamed, the red fox. This crafty creature was a marvel of the animal kingdom, brimming with unique qualities that set it apart from its woodland companions. As we delve into its world, we discover a tapestry of facts that paint a vivid portrait of the red fox's life. The clever hunter. The red fox was a master of stealth, relying on its keen senses to stalk and pounce on prey with precision. Sharp sight. Its eyesight was exceptional, enabling it to spot movement from great distances. Exceptional hearing. With large, attentive ears, it could detect the faintest rustle of leaves or the subtlest of sounds. Omnivorous diet. This adaptable creature had a diverse palate, feasting on rodents, birds, insects, fruits, and even the occasional carrion. Territorial guardian. It marked its territory with a pungent scent to ward off intruders, making sure the forest knew who was in charge. Nighttime wanderer. The red fox was primarily nocturnal, preferring to explore the forest under the cover of darkness. Social network. While often solitary, it was not averse to socializing, occasionally forming small family groups. Communication maestro. Foxes communicated through a variety of vocalizations, from eerie screams to soft whimpers, each conveying different messages. Mating season rituals. During the breeding season, the forest echoed with the calls of male foxes, serenading potential mates. Loyal partners. Once a pair bonded, they became devoted to each other, working together to raise their young. Cozy dens. They often took up residence in burrows or dens, offering protection and warmth for their kits. Playful kits. The young foxes, or kits, engaged in spirited play, developing their hunting and survival skills. Territorial disputes. Rivalries often brewed between neighboring foxes, leading to territorial disputes that sometimes required skirmishes. Remarkable speed. Red foxes could sprint at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making them nimble hunters. Winter wardrobe. In colder months, their fur became thicker and fluffier, aiding in insulation against the chill. Color morphs. They displayed a variety of coat colors, from fiery red to silver and even black. Urban pioneers. Red foxes were known to adapt to urban environments, foraging near human settlements. Scent masking. To confuse predators, they often rolled in strong-smelling substances to mask their own scent. Natural pest control. In addition to rodents, they played a vital role in controlling insect populations, benefiting the ecosystem. Mysterious enigma. Above all, the red fox remained an enigmatic character in the forest, captivating the imagination of all who crossed its path. And so, in the heart of that ancient woodland, the red fox reigned supreme, a creature of mystery, adaptability, and undeniable charm, leaving an indelible mark on the natural world.